How to disable pop-up ads in application on your Realme device. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video, and in today's video we will learn how we can disable pop-up ads in application on your Realme device. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. First of all, launch settings in your device, and on the settings scroll down and search for an option as privacy and then tap on it. Under privacy, scroll down and there is an option for ads. Tap on ads. So once you're here, scroll down a bit and head towards delete advertising ID. Here the application uses your device advertising ID to show you some ads. So when you lose your personalization, it means you have less control over the type of ads that you see. So from here you can delete your advertising ID. Tap on delete your advertising ID and you can always get a new advertising ID later if you wish. So here tap on delete advertising ID and make sure that it is deleted. Now you have to go back. Once you're here, tap on usage in Diagnostics and here make sure to turn off this toggle as well. Once you have done that, now tap on activity controls and then select your account. Here scroll down a bit and make sure to turn this web and web activity off. If it is turned on, make sure to turn it off. Scroll down a bit and there you will have an option as ads. So you have to turn off the ads center also. So here is an option for my ad center. Tap on it and here make sure to turn it off. First of all, you have to sign in, and once you're signed in, you have an option to turn it off. So make sure that your ad personalization is also turned off. And in this way, you can disable pop-up ads in your application on your Realme device. That's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.